Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today is day 3 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. First of all, congratulations. If you've completed day 1 and day 2, you're already making progress. You have learned how to think in English. You have learned how to speak without being afraid of making mistakes. Today, we are taking the next step. Today, you will learn how to use English in real conversations. Think about this. Why do we learn English? Is it to memorize grammar rules? No. Is it to remember hundreds of difficult words? Not really. We learn English because we want to communicate. We want to understand people. We want people to understand us. That is the real purpose of learning a language. The good news is, you don't need perfect English to have a conversation. You only need simple English. Today, I will show you that simple English is powerful. So relax, smile, and let's begin. Conversation 1, meeting someone. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm doing well. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Alex. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Sri Lanka. How about you? I'm from India. That's wonderful. Very good. Now let's do the same conversation one more time. This time try to speak a little faster. Ready? Let's go. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm doing well. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Alex. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Sri Lanka. How about you? I'm from India. That's wonderful. Excellent. Did you notice something? None of those sentences were difficult. But together, they created a real conversation. That is exactly what you should practice every day. Speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Answer my questions out loud. Don't think too much. Just answer. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you like learning English? Why do you want to speak English? Excellent. It doesn't matter if your answers are short. The important thing is, you answered. Every answer makes your English stronger. Conversation 2, at a coffee shop. Now imagine you walk into a coffee shop. A friendly worker smiles and asks, "Good morning. What would you like?" Repeat after me. Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? Yes, I'd like a sandwich. Of course. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, a bottle of water, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Excellent. Now let's practice the whole conversation without stopping. Ready? Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? Yes, I'd like a sandwich. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, a bottle of water, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Fantastic! Look at what you just did. You completed another real English conversation. That's progress. And remember, real English is not about using difficult words. Real English is about communicating clearly and confidently. Now, let's continue with another real-life conversation. This time, imagine you are talking to a friend. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Conversation 3. Talking to a friend. Hello? Hi. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you too. How have you been? I've been great. Thank you. How about you? I've been doing well. What are you doing today? I'm studying English. That's great. Keep it up. Thank you. I will. What do you usually do in your free time? I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I also enjoy learning English. That's wonderful. Keep practicing every day. I will. Thank you. Excellent. Now let's say the conversation one more time without stopping. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. And most importantly, enjoy the conversation. Speaking practice. Now I will ask you some questions. Answer them with your own ideas. Don't worry if your answer is short. Just keep speaking. Ready? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you like to eat for breakfast? What is your favorite movie? What is your dream job? Where would you like to travel one day? Why are you learning English? Excellent. You are doing a fantastic job. Every time you answer a question in English, your confidence grows. Remember that. Quick speaking challenge. Now let's make things a little more interesting. You have only 5 seconds to answer each question. Don't stop. Don't translate. Just speak. Ready? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite fruit? Who is your best friend? What did you do yesterday? What are you going to do tomorrow? Wonderful! Did you answer every question? Even if your English wasn't perfect. You spoke, and that is what matters. Motivation. Many English learners believe they need to know thousands of words before they can speak English. That is not true. You can have many simple conversations using basic vocabulary. The secret is not knowing more words. The secret is using the words you already know. Practice them again and again. Little by little, your English will become stronger. Don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you can say one more sentence today than yesterday, you are improving, and that is something to be proud of. Today's challenge. Before you finish today, I want you to complete one simple challenge. Find a quiet place. Set a timer for 5 minutes. During those 5 minutes, speak only in English. Talk about your family. Talk about your school. Talk about your job. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your dreams. If you don't know a word, don't stop. Use easier words. Keep speaking. Remember, fluency is built through practice, not perfection. Final message. Congratulations. You have now completed day 3 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. You are already becoming more confident. You are already speaking more English than you did before, and that is something to celebrate. But don't stop here. Real progress comes from daily practice. So watch this lesson again tomorrow. Repeat every sentence. Answer every question. And keep challenging yourself. Tomorrow, in day 4, we are going to learn how to sound more natural when speaking English. You will discover simple techniques that make your English smoother, clearer, and more confident. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing every day. Believe in yourself. Believe in your progress. And remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow in day 4. Until then, take care. Keep speaking English and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.